So this is a pretty normal day. Walk out the door, see a dog, cow, calf, more cows. And then calf going into the and got pigs over in that little pen. Got a cow there. Some chickens in that little building, little coop. Here's my pigs. Five of them. The one over there got out today. And my big girl, my big meanie Kira, right there, she tried to eat her. So she's got some battle scars on her now. But I think she's fine. So right now I got all the animals next around my house. The cows walk around all over the farm. They usually pass by some part of the day.